need to share to us photo studio peoples, maybe in your home. So you'll have the function around 200 to 300 people's, sorry, around 200 to 300 photos will have, right? So he need to share the photos to PDF. How he is going to share the photos in PDF format, man? Huh? Shiva Prasad will have 200 to 300 photos, man, pictures, your function pictures, right? So in that, all the 300 pictures, we are not going to take a print, right? So we need to pick few good pictures, right? Then because of that reason, he need to share the pictures to us. Then how he is going to share the pictures to you? Yes, guys, he is going to pen drive ala copy chesestar 200. And then he need to share the mail, he need to send the mail. Then he's going to collect all the 300 photos from camera. He's going to create this archive file with the help of WinRAR. Multiple files, different size of multiple files. We are going to pick, we'll create one bundle. How it is looking? 3 books we'll have here, okay? And then we are trying to making one bundle, means multiple files, multiple size files. It may be any file, including zip file. This is zip file, guys. We'll have here, this is a zip file. What is the difference between archive and zip? WinRAR to create the archive file, WinZip to create the zip file. Now, what is the difference between those both the files? Guys, multiple zip files we can able to archive. I hope you got it. It's not like this, only multiple zip files we can able to archive. You can archive any file, you can make one bundle to share the data easily through network from one machine to another machine. Okay, from one machine to another machine. Got it, guys? So the differences between archiving and zip, multiple zip files we can able to archive. We can able to create only one file easily. We can upload this file into the mail and then we can able to share the files to someone. So zip compression archiving means multiple compressed files we are trying to creating archive. It's not like this. We are going to create multiple compressed files. You can use any file. It may be text file, it may be MP3 file, it may be MP4 file, whatever it may be. We can able to create the archive. So coming to Windows, we'll have two different softwares. One is WinRAR, another one is WinZip. For creating the archive, WinRAR application. Those all third-party applications we need to download from internet. By default, we don't have. Okay, WinZip to compress the files. Right, guys? Like the same way, coming to Linux, we have only one inbuilt application called tar, 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 not thar, tar. Okay, tar is a command. With the help of tar command, so using tar command, we can able to archive and as well as we can able to compress. Both we can do. For archiving and compression, we are going to use tar command, right? So why we need to archive and compress the file? Instead of sharing the data from one machine to another machine through network, for example, we have 1 GB data. Instead of sharing the 1 GB data from one network to one machine to another machine through network, what we are doing, we are trying to compressing, we are trying to reducing the size of the data, and then easily we can able to transfer the data. Instead of sharing 1 GB, if you compress, it will become maybe 400 MB or 500 MB. Then easily we can able to share. It will consume low bandwidth. Easily we can able to move the data from one machine to another machine through network, right? Okay. So now we'll do practically how we need to create the archives and how we need to transfer the data from one machine to another machine through network. Okay. So guys, we need two different machines now. So one is client, another one is server, right? We are going to use those both the machines. We need one network between those both the machines, right? ఏమైంది కూలరా రైట్. So let's see guys here. So guys, we need to establish the between those both the machines. So let's see guys here. Guys, already you know those all stuff. So because of that reason, I'm trying to creating little bit quickly. Okay. Hosts.
line.example.com VIM etc host. Right, guys? Yes, we have the communication. Right? Okay, so now we'll do archiving. First of all, establish the network between both the machines. Then we'll do archiving. Okay, so how to archive? Guys, try to create few files with different size. For example, file 1. Then we are writing hello. How are you? Control D. Cat. File 2. This is a Linux class. File 1 space file 2. How many files will have? 3 files. Okay, 5 files will have here. But here we'll have 3. We created 3 files, file 1, file 2, file 3. So different sizes, right? Okay, so now we are going to use those 3 files. We'll create one archive file. Got it, guys? Tar is a command. Okay, so tar is a command. Hyphen also you can use, without hyphen also you can use. Hyphen or without hyphen. CVF. C means creating archive. C means creating archive. V verbose. F file name, not forcefully. C creating archive. V verbose, it will print the messages. F not forcefully, file name. Got it, guys? CVF. C creating archive. V verbose. F file name. So we need to provide destination file name first. Destination file name. In which file we need to create the archive file. So archive file name we need to provide. Okay, for example, my file dot tar. Any name you can give, but extension should dot tar. Any name you can give. Extension should dot tar. Got it, guys? Extension should dot tar. Right? How many files we are trying to archiving? File 1 space, file 2 space, file 3. Simple, guys. Tar is a command space CVF creating archive verbose file name. File name myfile.tar. File name myfile.tar. So we are trying to archiving file 1, file 2 and file 3. Got it, guys? Those 3 files, we are using those 3 files. We are trying to creating the archive file with those 3 files. Okay? Those 3 files we are trying to archiving into one file. Then hit enter. Right? Let's check the list. myfile.tar, myfile.tar, right? Then how to know the size of this file? Usually df hyphen capital th, not df hyphen du hyphen h, 12 KB. I hope you got it, guys, right? Okay. All right. I hope you're clear how to create the archives with file. Now we will create the archive with the directory. Okay. So we know very well about etc, right? etc contain, etc contain. Yes, guys. Configuration files. Very good. How to know the size of the etc? Okay. So now 33 MB etc total size. etc having how many files? See? Then how many files and directories will have in etc? How you can able to know? How many files and directories will have into the etc? How we need to know? ls hyphen huh? etc అంతే. How many files will have? It is providing the list, right? Including size. Got it. WC word count, L lines. How many lines will have? Those many files will have, right? Okay, right. Got it, guys. So then how we need to archive the directory? Tar is a command. CVF is option, right? And then first we need to provide the destination file name, etc.tar, then etc. Simple. Any name you can give. But we are trying to archiving etc directory. Because of that reason, I have given etc is a name for file, archive file. Okay. Got it, guys? Then hit enter. Right? See, one more file it got created, that is called etc. Actual size of the etc, how much? 33 MB. Now we archive etc file will have the etc.archive file. Let's check the size of this. 33 MB to 29. It's not that much of archiving. Actually, it's a very low size. It got reduced. Okay. Got it, guys? So I hope you're clear. Right. Clear? So now we need to archive and we need to compress. Both we should do. We need to reduce the size and we need to create the archive. Usually we'll have zip command. Gzip, gun zip to unzip. Those all the commands usually we should use. But coming to here, with the help of tar command, you can able to create archive along with the zip using few options. So let's see, guys. Tar is a command. C Z F C Z F. Right? B is optional, guys. If you want, you can give, or otherwise you can leave it. It's not a problem. C Z. Z means small z. Gzip. Z means gzip. F file name. etc dot tar dot gz is extension. Gzip, gz extension. So guys, according to this option, we need to provide the extension, remember. So if you're providing z, then we need to provide tar.gz. Okay. Then etc. So removing leading, okay, forward slash from members names, right? So let's check the list. etc tar.gz. One file it got created. So usually etc size how much? 33 MB, right? Okay. Now we archive as well as we did compression also. How much? 8.2 MB. 8.2 MB. Where is 33 MB? Where is 8.2 MB? So it got compressed, right? Okay. How will have the small z option, like the same way we'll have one more option we'll discuss. Tar CJF small j etc tar dot bz2 is extension. bzip2 bz2 then etc. Same directory I'm using, guys, because we need to know the variation, right? Difference. So if you're using small z, how much it is going to compressed, and if you're using small j, how much it is going to compress, how we can able to know using same directory. Okay. We are archiving etc directory into etc dot tar dot bz2. Then it. So let's see, guys. etc dot tar dot bz2. Got it, guys? Let's check the size of etc tar dot bz2. 6.9 MB. 6.9 MB. Got it, guys? Next, we'll have one more option. C capital JF. I hope you got it, guys. Using options, you can able to compress and as well as you can archive. Both we can do using tar command. Okay. So tar space C capital JF. Capital J is a exit. etc dot tar dot xz is extension we need to provide for that option. Clear? So like this options will have. So we are going to use those options according to our client requirement. Okay. So we are going to compress the data. Clear? It's taking some time. We need to wait few minutes. ls-l. See, guys, etc tar.exe it got created successfully. Right. Now let's see here how to check the size. du-h etc tar.exe 5.6 MB. It got compressed to more. Where is 33 MB? Where is 5.6 MB? So I hope you all got it, guys. Clear? Right. Next, what we need to do? How to archive, how to compress, we know using tar command, right? Then now we'll discuss how we need to transfer the data from one machine to another machine through network. Transferring files through network from one machine to another machine, right? So guys, here we'll have multiple commands. Okay. Using different commands, you can transfer the files from one machine to another machine. So first command we'll discuss secure copy, SCP. SCP is a one tool. SCP will form secure copy. We are try to copying the files from one machine to another machine through network using SCP command. Got it, guys? So now we are trying to copying. How to copy? To whom we need to copy the file name we need to provide here. etc tar.gz is a file. Okay, we'll do one thing. Go to client before doing this. Okay, create one directory called backup. Okay, create one directory called backup. Okay, so we created this directory inside the root directory in client machine. Remember, go to server, go back, go to server. Right, guys. Now SCP space etc.gz. Then we are trying to transferring this file from server to client into backup directory. So guys, if you want, you can use host name or IP address, both are same. Right? SCP secure copy etc.tar.gz space 192.160.1.12 or client.example.com. Right? :// root. Inside the root, we created one directory called backup directory. We are trying to transferring this etc tar.gz file into backup directory. Got it, guys? I hope you're clear. Then hit enter. So guys, this SCP, it will work, not only SCP, all the transfer commands, it will work with the help of SCP on what is that? SSH only. SSH, okay? So it is asking to establish the connection between those both the machines. Yes. What happened, guys? Password. Okay, we provide the password. Successfully we transfer. See. etc tar.gz file at 100% it got transferred, and size of the file and time, how much time it's taking? Nothing. Okay, within a fraction of seconds it's transfer. Go to client, then cd backup. Okay, etc tar.gz. Usually backup is empty directory, right? So we got a file from server to client. Got it? Right. Next, go to server. I hope you're clear how we need to transfer the files we're using SCP. Right. Now, next, how to transfer the file using SFTP. SFTP. Secure File Transfer Protocol daemons. That means transfer protocol is enough, not as daemons. It's a one application. Okay. SFTP. Secure File Transfer Protocol. SFTP. So now how to transfer the files using SFTP we'll discuss. SFTP, and then we need to provide the destination IP address or host name. 192.168.1.12 our destination machine, because we are into server. We are in server. We transfer. Okay. Got it, guys? Clear? So we need to transfer from one mission to another mission. How? Using SFTP. So hit enter. It will ask the root user's password. We need to provide the, because we are trying to sending the request using root user. Already we are into root user and client machine. Okay. Guys, connected to 192.168.1.12. Then SFTP prompt we got. Guys, in SFTP, we are going to use two commands to upload to download. Put and get. Got it, guys? Put is a command. So we are going to put the files from one machine to another machine. Get is a command to fetch the data from destination to source. Vice versa will do. If you want, you can transfer. If you want, you can fetch. Both will do. Okay. Got it, guys. Now we'll see how we need to transfer the data. How to put the data into client machine from server. Guys, if you check the list, you'll get the client machine root user directory details. How many files will have inside the root user? First of all, you need to go to backup directory. How to? CD, change directory, backup. Okay, then hit enter. The directory it got changed, right? Now we are trying to transferring the files from server to client, that too in backup directory. Put is a command. Put is a command, right? Put means uploading. Get means downloading. Put, you can say transfer the files from source to destination. Get, you can say we are going to fetch the files from destination to source. So put, and then which file you need. Which file you need to transfer? tar.bz2. Uploading etc tar.bz2 to root backup etc.bz2. Got it, guys? 100% it got transfer, but it's taking 1 second time. Okay, right. So now how to verify? Go to client machine, right? Then check the list. See, etc tar.bz2. I hope you got it, guys. So using SFTP, how we need to transfer the files from one machine to another machine. Got it? Next. Now we'll transfer the files from one machine to another machine. Then go to here, we'll fetch the file from client to server. Okay, we'll do one thing, we'll create one file inside the client, touch ABCD. This file we are trying to fetching from backup folder to backup directory to server directory. Sorry, servers root users directory. Okay. So now get is a command. ABCD. ABCD is the file name. Already we are into the backup, right? No need to mention any path. We are going to get the files from that path itself only. Before we did CD backup, right? Already we are in CD backup directory itself only. You can able to get your files from the backup directory, right? So get ABCD and then see, guys, here fetching root backup ABCD to ABCD. I hope you got it, guys. Okay. So fetching, go to exit, right? Then check the list. See, guys, here. Actually, ABCD we created inside the client machine. We fetch from the client to server using SFTP. You can transfer the file. You can fetch the files. Got it, guys? You can. Got it? Only put and get. So got it, guys. So I hope you're clear, right? Okay. Apart from this, we have one more command called rsync. It's a very useful command for administrator for taking the network backups. Rsync is a command. rsync is a command. It's preferable for network backups. Okay. Okay. How many peoples you know about EBS volume snapshots? EBS volume snapshots, right? So what kind of technique we are going to use to take the snapshots in EBS volume? అది చెప్తారు create volume ante. What kind of technique we have in EBS volume snapshot? How you are going to take the EBS volume? Super. Incremental backup. This is also incremental backup. rsync. rsync means incremental backup. Got it, guys? So because of that reason, it's a very useful in network backups, rsync command. So SCP and rsync almost same syntax will have, but rsync little bit different. I will tell you practically. I'll teach you practically, don't worry. So what is incremental backup? What is incremental backup? See, guys, the recent changes only it will take the backup. Very good. Okay, Pavan, recent changes only. For example, we'll have one file called file1, right? This is maybe so and so date it got uploaded, means we taken a backup, right? For example, date today 15, right? Maybe we taken a 14. Now today we created one file called file2 15 today, right? Maybe if you're trying to taking the backup on 14, this file will get the backup. Okay. Usually if you try to taking the backup today 15, first file and second file both they need to get, right? Yes, no, but we are not going to get the first file. We'll get only second file, today file only. So first file it will ignore. Maybe you did the changes into first file today. Automatically what will happen? 14 to 15 it will become. It will consider, but it will consider and then it will upload again. I hope you got it, guys. So last changes means depends upon your date and time. You'll get the file date and time, right? Okay, right. So I hope you're clear what is incremental backup. So now rsync is an incremental backup for taking incremental backup. Why we need to take incremental backup, guys? To save the disk space, man. To save the disk space. Got it, guys? Right. So rsync -av is an option. AV means all verbose, right? rsync space -av. AV means all verbose, right? And then we need to provide the file name to whom we need to transfer. etc tar.xz is a file we are trying to transferring to whom 192.168.1.12:root backup is a directory. Provide the password. Sending incremental file list. etc tar.xz. Total size of the file in bytes, received 32 bytes and then per second, byte per second. Speed 1. So total size this much, speed 1 second. Got it, guys? Okay. Go to client and log in as a root user. Check the list. See guys, we got a one more file called etc.exe. Okay. For transferring, if you try to transfer the file using rsync, maybe you are unable to understand that much of clearly. We'll do one more example with rsync, then you can able to understand exactly rsync what it will do. Right? Go to server, then create one directory called test. Okay, any name you can give. It's not like this. You need to provide the test directory. You can give any name. Right, guys? mkdir test is a directory where we created this inside the root. Where in server operating system. Right? Now cd test. So switch to test. Try to create few files inside the test directory. Got it, guys? cd test. Try to create few more files with the help of touch command or cat command your wish. File 1, then file 2. How many files will have as of now? 2 files, file 1 and file 2, right? Okay. We are back to home directory of current user, right? Then we are using rsync command, network rsync command, right? R remote synchronization, guys. Rsync means okay. Rsync hyphen av all variables. Test is a directory we are trying to transferring. So test directory and then 192.168.1.12 :root backup. What happened? Test file 1 and file 2. Both it got transferred to backup directory. If you want, you can verify it. Got it, guys? Okay. Assume this, we did this action yesterday. Now today we log in into our operating system in server. We are trying to modifying few files inside the test directory. We are trying to creating F3 and F4 files. Total how many files will have? 4 files will have, right? Now we are trying to transferring the data from server to client using rsync command. -av test is a directory name. Then 192.168.1.12 :root backup. Guys, if we observe F1, F2, it not transfer. It's transferring recently updated files also. F3 and F4. I hope you got it, guys. So test F1, F2, it's not transfer. F3, F4, it got transfer. This is called incremental backup. Because if it is try to transferring F1, F2, what will happen? Unnecessary F1, F2, it is going to consume the space again and again and again. First time 2, next time 4, next time 6, next time 8. Like this, it is going to increase the count because of that reason. Better to so use rsync command. So incremental backup will have. So go to test directory, cd test directory. Okay. Okay, right. Now in old file, maybe in F1, we did few modifications. Right, in F1, we did few modifications. Now try to transfer. What happens here? Last modification files only, it will consider, it will transfer from one machine to another machine. This is called incremental backup, right? Incremental backup. So here we doesn't have any duplicates. Got it, guys? So I hope you're clear how to transfer the files from one machine to another machine through network using SCP, rsync, and SFTP. Clear? Yes, no? Next, how to extract the archive. Okay, it's good. Then how we need to extract this file? So we'll have few archive files inside the backup directory. Now we are trying to extracting those files. So how to extract? Again, tar command x c cf. Simple, guys. Instead of c, we need to provide x. That's it. Apart from that, everything is same. X z means z f, right? And then etc tar dot extension g set. Now etc directory. Let's check the size of the etc. du-h. Got it, guys? 33 MB. Okay. So do one thing. Remove this etc directory. Then try to extract another file. Tar x vf. Then what we need to provide? etc, sorry guys, x small jf etc tar dot bz2. Got it? So tar space x small jf small j extension bz2. It got extract. Let's check the list. Again, it got created. du-h 4 KB. Sorry, du-h etc, right? 33 MB. So got it, guys? Like this, you can archive one more file also. Tar x capital JF etc tar dot xc. Right? $33 MB. So I hope you got it, guys. Right? Like this, you can extract and you can archive. You can transfer from one machine to another machine. So now, exactly this archiving, how it's happening, how we are trying to saving the disk space using few algorithms. Let's see, guys, here. For example, how gzip compression work. This is raw data, normal file. Okay. The normal file size is 9 bytes, 72 bits. Then L2 LZ77. So guys, here this original data, raw data, it is tried to making into 00s, 1000 like this. It is going to make, so this x having, it is going to divide this x into numerical values. Okay, but not numerical, binaries, binary values. Okay, binaries, and so 5 3 like this it will divide. So this is 1 and this is 2 3 and again c y 1y like this. It will use one algorithm to do this, and then Hoffman encoding algorithm using, it will encode. If it is encoding this 9 byte, it will become 14 bits. 80.88% data it is going to compress. So like this, each and every tool, it having their own algorithm to compress. With the help of those algorithms, it is going to compress and it will store the data into the storage. Got it, guys? I hope you're clear. Okay. So that is not that much of important, but you need to understand how exactly internal process it's happening. Okay. So clear? Yes, no, right. That's all about archiving and backup. Okay. Clear? Right, guys. If you're having any doubts, any questions, please. Yes, guys. SCP file copy to another user apart from root. Then you need to create the files with the normal user, then you can copy, because see, you can copy, it's not a problem. Let's see here. Why permission denied? Yes, guys, because why permission denied, guys? Who's the owner of my file.tar? Huh? Then can we able to copy the root user command, root user files with normal user? Hmm? Yes. Still permission and I don't know. Okay. Only that particular file having access, but root doesn't have the access. Okay. SCP root my file. No, we are unable to copy, guys, because the ownership we need to change. Then only we can able to copy. State dot dot dot. Got it. Actually, this directory got located into root, right? So because of that reason. Okay. Pavan, if you are owner, then you can. So clear. I hope you got it. Right. Okay. Good. So next chapter. Operating system boot process. Then scripting. Tomorrow operating system boot process will complete. Okay. Now just I'm giving one introduction. We'll have 15 minutes time, right? Okay. So tomorrow boot process. Day after tomorrow scripting. 18 scripting. 18 maximum. That's it. Okay. Maximum we are going to complete on 18th of May. Right. Next batch means recently before 1 week, 6 o'clock batch, they got started, right? Management. Maybe after 1 week. Better to ask to the management, they are going to give the proper information. Right? Okay, right, guys. So how many peoples you know Windows boot process? Live about Linux. How many of you know Windows boot process? Yes, guys. Operating system boot process. Online. How many of you know operating system boot process? Okay, leave about Linux. No need to bother. In Windows, how the Windows operating system it is going to boot? Huh? Systems it will restart. Yes, guys. Online. Can you hear me? BIOS, very good. Krishna. Let's see. ROM. Read-only memory. Right? ROM is a read-only memory. Clear? This is one IC. Integrated circuit. It's a one small chip. The chip, it got located on top of the motherboard. Got it, guys? The chip, it got located on top of the motherboard. In motherboard, we have the one area called CMOS. CMOS area. Complementary metal oxide semiconductor. CMOS will form complementary metal oxide semiconductor CMOS. So we'll have CMOS battery and those all stuff there, right? There you'll have ROM, one small chip, one IC. Inside the ROM, we have some memory, right? So inside that memory, we'll have one firmware called BIOS. Most of the people, what they're thinking, so the BIOS, it's available into hard disk. No, guys. BIOS, it will be available inside the ROM. BIOS, BIOS, basic input output system. Basic input output system, BIOS. Got it, guys? BIOS will form basic input output system. It's a one firmware. Okay. So it will store inside the ROM, not into hard disk. Okay. Right. So how you are going to start your mission? Laptop or desktop? How to start? We need to power on. We'll have the power button. We need to switch on the power. That action called post. Power on self test post will form. Power on self test post will form. Okay. Right. Right. See guys here. First action post. Okay. Then it will enter into BIOS. Okay. In BIOS, we'll have first boot device, second boot device, third boot device, like this will have. From that boot device, it will load the bootable files into memory. Got it, guys? From that boot device, it will load the bootable files from memory. That is called boot stamp loader. Boot stamp loader. It will load the bootable files from memory. That is called boot stamp loader. Then it will enter into drivers. All the necessary drivers it will load. All the necessary drivers. Maybe if you're connected printer, if you're connected scanner, if you're connected whatever it may be, drivers. Got it? Drivers. Finally, you'll get the login screen. Got it, guys? So we are going to get the login screen, usernames. With the help of those users, we are going to log in into operating system. This is operating system, Windows operating system boot process. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Yes, no? Power on, power button. First option, post. Power on self-test. According to your requirement, your connected few devices, those all the devices, it got detected or not, it will check. That is called post option. Got it, guys? Got it? Yes, no? Right, guys. So tomorrow we'll do Linux boot process, but we doesn't have much time now to complete. See you, Manikandan. Right, guys. So yes, if you're having any doubts, any questions as of now, please. Maybe hardly it will take 3 days to complete. Tomorrow we are going to complete boot process. Day after tomorrow scripting. Scripting per 2 days. Guys.